to show you how to make a soup. You ever went to an Asian restaurant, a Chinese restaurant, and they have egg drop soup or egg flour soup? Pretty much the same thing. And today I'm going to show you how to make it. Stay tuned. So to make this easy dish, we're going to need black pepper, 3 eggs, because I like it really eggy, a cup of water, and then 2 1/4 cups of chicken broth. Now to this pot, we're going to add the chicken broth and the water. We're going to let this come to a boil. And while that's coming to a boil, we're going to get our slurry ready. And our slurry consists of about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and then enough water to make it nice and loose, kind of like a milk. So to our eggs, we're going to add a couple tablespoons of water and scramble the eggs. It's good. Now let's add the water to the Make sure your water's cold when you're mixing cornstarch. Okay, now that the chicken broth is boiling, we want to add our scrambled eggs. Stir the pot to create some turbulence. Then you want to add your scrambled eggs to it. And now to this, you want to add your slurry of cornstarch and water. And let that come to a boil. When it comes up to a boil, you want to add your pepper. Starting to come to a boil, or to a simmer actually. Just want to slightly move it around. You don't want any clumps. You shouldn't have any clumps actually. Now we're going to add like a teaspoon of pepper. Stir that up. Quite nice, quite nice. Turn the heat off, and there you have it. Egg drop soup. Now we're going to ladle some. So there's your egg drop soup. The only thing that's missing is a spoon. Look at that, nice. And you're ready to eat. Enjoy.